colleagues at MIT have shown that coughs and sneezes have associated gas clouds that keep their potentially infectious droplets aloft for over much greater distances than previously realized, up to 25 feet. These are called bioaerosols, and they may not cause infection because there may not be enough of the virus present in these microdroplets or bioaerosols to cause infection, but that is yet to be determined. Masks are certainly at a premium these days. Watch this do-it-yourself mask making video. I think it's one of the simplest, easiest, and looks to be one of the most effective masks you can make at home. And you can do this in about 2 minutes.